In today's video, the spring and Easter decorating continues. Join me. So before we get into the video, again, I thought I would share this shirt because I'm loving these shirts for spring and summer. And you guys, the price, you can't beat the price. So yesterday I showed you this shirt. Like I said, I got different patterns and a little bit different style on the sleeving. And look how cute this is for spring and summer. Like I said, the shirt is super lightweight. You can tie it like this. Or I like to wear mine open just because I kind of feel like it elongates. So it's personal preference, but look how cute the sleeves are. And like I said, I ordered extra larges in all of mine. And if I could do it again, I would get larges. So just letting you know, and they come in all different sizes. And I came by the window so you could see it a little bit better, but it's loose, it's flowy, it has stretch. So anyway, I have shared that I'm trying to lose weight and all my shirts are I'm swimming in them. So I'm trying to not spend a lot of money because I'm fingers crossed hoping to continue to go down in size. So, I don't want to blow a ton of money if I'm going to need to go down again. So I'm telling you, we're not supposed to talk prices on Amazon because as you know, the prices are always fluctuating. Let's just say it was under $7. I mean, you can't beat the price. The prices are really good on these shirts. And I got a black one that's all black with the with this detailing right here because I'm definitely a girl that loves to wear black. It's just, it's more slimming and it makes me feel comfortable. So I've got a huge wardrobe of different black pieces that I interchange with other things. And I got different colors with the different sleeves. I think there was like 3 different sleeves you could choose from. Let's do it. Let's go decorate. Okay, so we're gonna be working on this space right here. And I'm trying to decide, do I wanna go with the green look in here or do I wanna add lavender? I don't know. And the only way to know is to start playing. Okay, so we have a sofa table from Amazon, a little cage lamp that I keep down there year round. We have this mirror and 2 wall sconces that light up. So this is just me, but I oftentimes like to add a little bit of a modern element and mix it with traditional and other styles. And I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't think a whole house has to be all modern or all traditional or whatever. It should be a collected look of what you like. But now I want to add some texture on the mirror. So I do have this spring wreath. I love it, but I'm wondering if lavender would look a little bit more festive for Easter. I feel like this would be great after Easter. I don't know. Let's try it. I'm gonna go head to my storage room, see if I can dig up that lavender wreath. I made a huge mess in here yesterday looking for my spring and Easter decor. I mean, look at me. I still have fall. I have so much organizing to do, but I do remember this was all my lavender that I bought last year. What to do, what to do. These would look great in a big basket. So I'm gonna set these aside. Oh, look at this. I have a big topiary. We're gonna pull that for sure. And here are 3 lavender and tulip wreaths. It's kind of been smushed in the boxes, so I want to give it just a little bit of a fluff. So I do find myself liking this one better for Easter. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this huge rustic dough bowl. And then I'm gonna create a bunny vignette in it. Sometimes when I get garland, I end up snipping it and using it in different vignettes. And I found this little snippet and I thought I'm gonna lay this down sort of as my base. And now I have this adorable bunny that I found, I think it was thrifting. I can't remember, but he's awfully cute. And now I have some of that Walmart garland that I shared the other day that's on the other side. I thought I would pull it over here, but I highly recommend. I absolutely love this garland for spring. You may remember yesterday I did a dough bowl arrangement on the other table, and I also used this and I set a bunny in it. So we're sort of mimicking that over here, but we're gonna add more lavender. Whereas over there, I added more little yellow picks. So now I have a whole bunch of Walmart lavender picks, super inexpensive. I will try to link everything below in case you want to do something similar in your home, or you just like it and you know you've got other ideas. It's great. So I always love adding topiaries in the spring, and let's face it, year round. And I found these, I believe I found these thrifting. I can't really remember, but I love them and I'm gonna set them at the end. And this year, like I said, instead of adding all the whites, I'm adding blacks with my spring and Easter decor, and I love it. And so because I do have pops of black over there, again, I'm carrying bits of black over here. So I got this years ago thrifting, and I just like it. So I'm gonna set that at the end to sort of balance out the height on that end. And then I have this little arrangement from Walmart. And then I have a cloche that I found on Wayfair. And I'm just gonna put this over the lavender. The other arrangement was too big, so I just grabbed this little black vase and a little sprig of lavender, and let's see if that works. And then I have these little carrots, and I thought I would just put them in here. me look like he just got caught running through Mr. McGregor's garden and he stole some carrots. Naughty little bunny. Okay, so now we're gonna work down below, and I want a riser to elevate that little lamp, and we're gonna add lighting, of course, because it creates the cozy factor. See what I mean? Now, down here could be very dark and boring, but now we have it illuminated. Okay, and now I'm bringing in one of my favorite trays from Home Goods, and it's this one. And I'm going to sit it down below because I like the shape, I like the darker color here, I like the lighter color here. It adds nice texture and it's interesting. And now I have this olive plant, and I'm going to set that down there to conceal the air return. I felt like that little plant needed to be elevated, and I went and got that stand, and I got this one. It looked really good on this one, but I feel like the black pops. So, and I also liked how the plant stood out more on the white marble base. So I'm gonna leave that. Okay, so now I wanted to bring yet some more black into the mix. So I have this pretty black bowl. Boom, instant topiary, and it pops in the black. Grabbed this wood riser, but so it would look something like this down there, down below. But I also have a black one. I don't know, maybe I'll try this one. So because I have a pop of white there, I kind of want to pull some right here. All right, friends, I think this will all make more sense when we complete this next week, and it's looking really cute. And then we're gonna do a tour, so stay tuned. I wanna thank you guys for hanging out with me this week. I have a little clip from last week when it did snow. I caught something in the backyard having too much fun, and I need to share it with you. So typically when I see a fox, they're very scared. They don't stick around long. Well, last week I caught 2 foxes playing in the snow, playing with each other, and it was so cute. So I'm gonna set that to music. You have to see it. They were prancing and bouncing and running, and you know, it was so cute. You just have to see it. that cute? I don't know about you guys, but I love nothing more than just to watch the wildlife. It's better than anything else going on in this world. It just brings a smile to your face. They're so cute. They're so funny. And I just love watching them. Very entertaining. Guys, have a fabulous weekend. If you wouldn't mind giving me a big thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to see you in the comments. And if you don't want to leave a comment, just a simple little emoji lets me know that you were here and you watched, and I really, really appreciate it. So with that said, I will see you guys back here next week. And thank you so much for the prayers for both of my daughters. You guys are the best. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, friends.